I'm the bosun on board. I mainly work with the deck crew, and someone's got to do the dirty work, so we all do it together. I really love working with people from all over the world. We all believe that we all have a role to play. If we are not doing maintenance on board, we probably are in an inflatable out there doing an action. I'm from the South Pacific, in the Cook Islands. It's tropical, it's hot. The Arctic is more like a big air conditioner back in the Pacific. If the Arctic is going to disappear, then where else do you call home? I have children, and I want to make sure that the Arctic stays clean, not to be exploited, the oil, to ensure that that AC we have is still around to keep us a bit cooler back home. I'm fighting for that, and that's why I'm here. And it makes me feel really good to know that I'm not alone. There's so many people out there, people that really at the end of the day come out and try and make a change, do an action, even lifting a banner, and I have a lot of respect for that. I'm on this trip heading towards the Arctic, but everyone can take action to save the Arctic.